Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate the fact that you're here. You're always here and you're always showing me the support. Now I want to speak about the changes that Arsene Wenger has introduced to the offside rule. Now before we go any further, please, I want you guys to hit that like button because I really do appreciate it. Now, FIFA is to push ahead with trials of a revolutionary change to the offside law proposed by Arsene Wenger that could give striker a significant advantage with the need for a clear daylight between attacker and defender for an offense to be committed. Now we have seen him spoken to the to ESPN FC. Also the likes of famous referee Pier Luigi Thoughts has spoken significantly about the VAR as well. We'll see the likes of so many significant people in those hierarchical positions in the refereeing board have spoken about the VAR decision. Also the daylight, the idea of the offside rule hasn't been stringently clear. Now it's caused a lot of friction and confusion throughout the season so far. Goes right back to the Premier League changes that the Premier League game that went on between the likes of Manchester City and Aston Villa. The Premier League referees have been given another round of guidance on how to interpret one of football's most controversial laws following an outcry over a play winning the ball while apparently offside. Changes are to be made following the build-up to Bernardo Silva's opening goal for Manchester City against Aston Villa. The alteration again bring in focus the disparity between the laws of the game and the spirit in which people want the game to be played, and how VAR interprets them both. The move that led to Silva goal began with Manchester City's Rodri winning possession from Villa's Tyrone Mings after running back from an offside position. Rodri was not adjudged to be offside, however, because Mings had intercepted a City pass and controlled it on his chest, and in official language, deliberate playing the ball. The referee John Moss awarded a goal and VAR also agreed. Under the letter of the law, Moss's decision was correct, but it provoked a strong reaction from the fans and the viewers who felt Rodri's challenge had not been fair on the blindside Mings. Now, the Professional Game Match Official Board has instructed its official to call for offside should similar situation arise. According to the new guidance, where a player is in an offside position immediately impacts on an opponent who has deliberately played the ball, the match official should prioritize challenging an opponent for the ball, and thus the offside offense of interfering with an opponent by impacting on that opponent's ability to play the ball should be penalized. In further complication, this ruling would not apply if Rodri had not challenged Mings, but the ball had bounced off the Villa player into the Spaniard's pass. A similar situation led to Villa scoring their first goal against Newcastle on Saturday after Fabian Schär inadvertently played the ball to an offside Ollie Watkins. Now the guidance follows an update to referees earlier in the season when officials were instructed to be more lenient in the handball decision. They were encouraged to take into account not only whether a player's hand position was unnatural, but whether it could have been expected in context of the player's general movement. The offside and handball laws are updated for the reason by the Rule-Making International Football Association Board, although the changes were official, justified as an attempt to foster the spirit of attacking play. Many observers felt a more detailed rules were a response to more minute scrutiny of contagious decision allowed by the video technology, and so many issues surrounding the handball rule, also the off-ball rule. Now let me get into what the great Pier Luigi Thoughts said. If the images are not conclusive, then the field decision cannot be overruled. So it is important that what is shown offers something conclusive. Otherwise, it would say, in case of doubt, follow the field decision, which would be the decision that was made by the referee. Now, Arsene Wenger stated, "You will not be offside if any part of the body that can score a goal is in line with the last defender, even if other parts of the attacker's body parts are in front." So, i.e., if his hand is in front, his hand cannot score a goal because his hand is attested as offside. So if it's eyelash, well, yes, his eyelash can score, but his hand would be predominantly the body part in which people are taking a test to. So if its entirety of his hand is in front of the defender, but yet still the part that is attested as not offside is onside with the defender, it is clearly a goal and it would be onside. So thank you very much, you guys, for listening, and this has been Military Guna TV. Hopefully that cleared up a bit of the information in regards to offside, onside, and also on-ball rule. I'll give you more details on the on-ball rule. Hopefully you guys enjoy the show. Please hit the like button and left something on it. Let me a comment. Tell me what you guys think about the decision that has been made. And guess what? I am out. Thank you very much.